Well, maybe I should read some of your bedtime rhymes then.
Maybe you should. Maybe we all should.
Oh, good idea. Oh.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs. In his nightgown, rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children in their beds? For now, it's 8 o'clock.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John went to bed with his trousers on. One shoe off, the other shoe on. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John.
Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall, and